Changing your payout method at Tri-Counties Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payout method is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Tri-Counties Bank website or mobile app and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROP to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select payout methods. In account settings, look for an option labeled payout method or payment preferences. Click on this option to view your current payout methods. Step 4. Update your payout method. Choose the payout method you wish to change. You can add a new method or edit an existing one. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary information, such as bank account details or payment platform information. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your payout method, make sure to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation message or email indicating that your payout method has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout method at Tri-Counties Bank. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.